Yo guys, what's going on? Welcome back to another video. In this video, you can see I'm in this trade currently up a little 500. It's basically a 786 SFP. You can see from this whole move up, got the 786 level, which we tapped to perfection. Also SFPing that low. So yeah, my entry pretty much was at the 786, just the acceptance back above it. Stop loss at the low, and now, well, I don't know really. We'll have to see what's to come in the future and where Bitcoin can go. Right, guys, I found out my TP level is basically at this high here, top of the move. As you can see here on the liquidation heat map, that above that high we have loads of liquidity, and that would land me a 1 to 6 TP at the high. Could happen, seeing as I can imagine that's where the 0.5 is. Yep, 786 to 0.5, claim the liquidity above. Yeah, it looks pretty good to be honest, but it's just a matter of waiting now. So yeah, I'll update you. Yo guys, welcome. Well, not welcome back. It's gonna be in the same video. So 2 days later, or 1 day later, the 786 trade, we got the SFP. Well, I don't really have to say anything because you can see we got a nice push to full TP. But I actually took partials here, I believe, because I remember we were consolidating here, around here, and then we got a push up. Or was it here? Either way, I took partials just under TP, 90%, and I still actually got, oops, I still got 340 left. So I closed my position for 2.2, which was a partial close. It was on 2.5 total, and yeah, I'm still in with 0.1 lot and $340 in profit. You can see the entry, sniper entry, stop loss at break even, and full TP now at that high there, just for the fun of it. An extra 500, not really worth it, but you know, what's the worst that's gonna happen? Um, but yeah, pretty solid trade. Nice little 786 bounce, bang, SFP of that 786 as well as the SFP low. And yeah, targeting them highs there, which got claimed to perfection. Nice little trade, guys. So thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, then like the video and yeah, subscribe, all of that, and catch me in the next one. Peace.